It's exceptional. Take that beyond him. Max Dowling here. Passes around. And West Ham is going to score. Arsenal to make it 2.
I cannot be happier, prouder.
Arsenal. 22 solid years. Later, Oma prayer. Oma disecond at us when prince. Charlie, and ye is in Pamo. Now, Bournemouth, Manchester City, and a football finance. Oh, God, I am on both finance. And in any more time, say, goes via the banner, a beba, or almost favor. Till fun another say, as were winning, so winning a Hong Kong or shed near a beba. Charlie, Yame a year on my room. Bournemouth near Manchester City, a ball, 1-1. I've never heard. Players now almost a farm on there. No more training dancer, no more here much no. Now, young move here, no more deep of Lucino, almost no more here much no. Pop. 10 years saying name, I wanted to go the answer and I'm on yappy. Now, I did create I will tear one. Players they need G.
You see people playing that from the
back.
It's
one of his assistants who has won the Premier League title this season. There is a real changing of the guard and real joy at the Arsenal training ground where the players gathered to watch the game together.
Oh, wow.
And this was the scene at the end. These are really special moments, Michael. When you're together with your teammates, you've put all that work in. You have ground out some of those results. You've pushed yourself to the absolute limits. You've been accused over previous seasons of bottling it.
Correct.
And then you get this moment.
Yeah, for Arsenal, it's absolutely outstanding. And, you know, when they played Man City and lost, and everyone was talking about the bottle. And remember, we was on the show, and I said they've not bottled it, they've just opened up the door. And this time, they didn't even have to go to the final game of the season and win. Man City opened the door then for Arsenal. But for all that they've been through, I told you the story about when we was up against Manchester United at the time, Sir Alex Ferguson's great teams, and that belief in you.
Now, a ball by 7:30, no street this way, just a boom, yeah. When they buy now, I'm about to run away. You must ask now, you know. I'm very street this one. Jaja, and so country. Arsenal 32 records. Obi Anobo Premier League Navy. On the first person, our player manager would be winning a trophy. After so, almost like that the youngest player about the 16 years, 4 months. When you Krobiso age Nibio. When your original age 16 years, 4 months. Charlie. I go Arsenal. Charlie, won't be videos leaving. All right, bye for now.
Glory, it takes time. 1 second, 90 minutes, 22 years. Some moments in time are special. You feel connected, alive, invincible.
And the deserving champions are Arsenal.
But times change. The place you call home looks different. You say goodbye to loved ones, not knowing when you'll see them again. Seasons pass and you wonder if things will ever feel the same. Then one day, the dawn looks brighter.
If I wouldn't feel that I'm ready and prepared for this, I wouldn't be sitting in this chair.
Storms pass, and when the sun shines,
Unbelievable!
there's this energy, emotion, nostalgia. Faces change, but the spirit of decades past echoes in the present. You can't go back in time, but through togetherness, belief, resilience,
Saka!
you break your own barriers.
Sealed with a kiss.
You forge your own path.
And it's in!
You create your own history.
Max Dowling, the youngest goal scorer in Premier League history.
22 years since they won a Premier League title. It's in their grasp. It's in their hands.
And look what it means for everybody here.
the wait is over. Arsenal are Premier League champions once again.
It's over! Arsenal are Premier League champions!
You did it. Champions go on when others stop. This is your time. Now, go on and enjoy every moment.
After review, West Ham number 19 commits a foul on the goalkeeper. Final decision. What a strike! What a goal!
I can't bring for you now.
We made history again together. I cannot be happier, prouder for everybody that is involved in this football club. Let's enjoy the moment.